Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is 23 months out from a guy that's my age with short hair who had very little going on up front.
You mean a young guy?
Young guy. And he likes to wear a short haircut like I do. And we did the first of probably 2 cases. And here he is the before, and at the end of the case, and at a week, and at a month when it fell out, and at 6 months when it started growing, and about a year out when it was starting to grow, and then he just walked in right around New Year's Eve, and he's 23 months out from getting this thing done, and he looks good. He wears a short haircut.
I like it, yeah.
And the tough thing with short hair is, with hair transplants, you don't plan them as tightly as they're put there inherently when you're born. But you plan them as tight as you can, and you use layering. So, like, here's one row of trees, and here's another row, so that it gives the illusion that you have a lot of hair. And when you have short hair,
yeah, when you wear it short aside, yeah. But
yeah.
It looks really good.
It does. It looks unremarkable. And here he is from behind with a short haircut, and his scar is hard to find. And so, what do you want to say about that woman?
No, no, he looks great. I like it. Like, your age, looking like he doesn't look like a guy that has any hair loss.
Right.
Yeah, I think.
Right.
And it doesn't look done.
Exactly.
What is it? Unremarkable?
Unremarkable. That's our goal.
I can't say that word.
Yeah.
Unremarkable?
Yeah. We'll work on it. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.